Omnipresence. The universe is a spiritual system of complete consciousness, entire wholeness, the sum total of which is present everywhere. We are both scientifically and inspirationally, spiritually and philosophically in accord with the great institutions, the spiritual revelation of all the ages that have always announced that God is over all, in all, through all, and is all. There is not God and something else. There is only God, and God is in everything, constituting the only reality to anything that is, proclaiming itself as all things. Therefore, God knows things only as itself. There is an intelligence in everything, from the smallest atom to whatever we think of as big, and that intelligence must of necessity respond to us intelligently. Then, automatically, we will have to assume that it can only respond to us at the level of our belief in, knowledge of, feeling about, acceptance, and embodiment of, and identification with it. In other words, God is all there is, but to each of us individually, the God that is all there is must be the God believed in. Since there is but one life present everywhere, I must be in that life and of it, and it must flow through me. It must be what I am. Therefore, I accept this omnipresence as something real, definite, immediate. At the very center of my own being, I realize the divine presence. At the center of my own consciousness, I recognize a transcendent principle forever emanating, sustaining, vitalizing, recreating, guiding, directing, inspiring. There is within me that which knows what to do and impels me to act in accord with its perfect law and order and its complete peace. This I accept, and even as I affirm it, I know that this omnipresence is alive and awake and aware within me. And behold, I am with thee, and will keep thee in all places whither thou goest. Genesis 28:15.